Garama ya iguru ya muturire bigiga cia magoti maria magathikitwo ni thirikari undu umwe na kuremwo kuhingia mabataro matiganite ma kimucie ni imwe cia itumi iria itumite namba ya aruti a wira thirikari-ini makiria kugumirwo ni mathina ma meciria undu uria ni ugwati hari ukinyaniru wa uheani wa motungata kuri muingi. Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa ruhonge rwa uruti wa wira wa muingi Amos Gathesha, kwa ihinda riri aruti a wira thirikari 14,000 mari na mathina ma meciria na mbere yambatirite kuma kuri aruti a wira 4,000 riria bururi wa Kenya wagumiirwo ni king'uki gia COVID-19.
We are expecting to see higher figures this year, and what we have done, we have started counseling centers in all huduma centers. We have also started the telecounseling in the huduma centers.
Gathesha ugite aria mahotereirio makiria ni mathina maya mararika njohi-ini na angi kwiruta muoyo.
Looking at the diversity at their workplace, are all communities involved? Are all gender taken care of? Are we taking care of the persons with disabilities?
Hindi ya kiumano kia 28 kia o mwaka kia RUHONGE aruti a wira namba ya aria arwaru irikanite ya kwambatira makiria undu uria utumite thirikari ihingure ceceni cia gutarira andu ceceni-ini cia uheani wa motungata guothe bururi-ini. Oho thirikari ikinyiririe ni kwambia mubango wa guthaitira ugima mwega wa mwiri wa aruti aya wa wira mutaratara-ini wa uheani wa motungata ma urigiti wa SHIF.
Our intention here is to train and capacity build our professionals within HR for them to know if I encounter, how do I handle, and more specifically, how do I even prevent, and empower the rest of my employees so that they're in the know of what is right and what is wrong. And
maya mokite riria ndikimoretio guthii na mbere na kuhimbirio igiririki honge-ini itiganite ari njira ya gwikira hinya aruti a wira mitaratara mieru igitanywo kugathikwo ukinyanirio undu uyu.
The members to embrace for professionalism and to also work within ethical standards and to do their work with integrity.
Munini wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ngukumio bururi-ini Abdi Mohamed akiuga ni mitaratara iguteithia kurehe ugaciru na kung'ethanira na ngukumio bururi-ini riri aruti a wira thirikari-ini makoretwo makiorotwo ni guteithia turiani mikuha mathebo ya muingi.
We cannot overlook and just say will training assist. Training will assist because it will assist the professionals and guide them on how to navigate those challenges. Like for example, in the recruitment, what are the challenges that happen in the recruitment process?
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mathi Ndung'u wa Bugua.
Council members, please let us be